Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing some major news that has just emerged from the world of cryptocurrency. El Salvador, the first country in the world to officially recognize Bitcoin as a legal tender, has now taken another revolutionary step by passing a law that regulates the issuance of digital assets by both state and private entities. This game-changing legislation was strongly supported by lawmakers of the ruling party who are allied with President Nayib Bukele. The main objective of this law is to attract both domestic and international investors, while simultaneously creating new financing opportunities for citizens, corporations, and the government. This comprehensive law, comprising of 47 articles, was passed with a majority of 62 votes out of the 84 seats in the Congress this Wednesday. The legislation states that it is designed to establish a legal framework which provides legal certainty for digital asset transfer operations that occur in public issuance offers. According to the law, issuers can make public offerings with existing digital assets and even have the opportunity to create new ones through these public issuances. Moreover, it includes provisions for the establishment of the National Commission for Digital Assets and the Bitcoin Funds Administration Agency. These bodies will manage, protect, and invest funds from public offerings of digital assets conducted by the government. Interestingly, this law is not applicable to digital currencies issued by central banks of any country or territory, whether those are traditional fiat currencies or cryptocurrencies. The law also does not apply to digital assets that are recognized as legal tender by law, such as Bitcoin, in addition to digital assets within the video game ecosystem or non-fungible tokens, NFTs. As of now, President Bukele's office has not made any comments regarding whether the new legislation would apply to the issuance of Bitcoin volcano bonds, which was announced by the president in late 2021. However, the president did share a tweet from the country's Bitcoin office, stating that this law also paves the way for the acquisition of $1 billion in crypto bonds or volcano bonds. On another note, back in November 2021, President Bukele announced plans to build a Bitcoin city in the eastern department of La Union. This city is proposed to be powered by geothermal energy sourced from a local volcano. So far, the government has bought 2,381 bitcoins at a cost of $107 million. In addition, Bukele announced on November 17 that his government would purchase 1 bitcoin each day, without specifying the duration of this policy. Currently, Bitcoin is trading below $20,000, which is a significant drop from its high of $68,000 in November 2021. That's all we have for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.